Well, this is Comet Troy, and I'm doing another video. I'm on location here at lot 134 in the Woodlands at Buffalo River, located in Perry County, 5 minutes southeast of Linden, Tennessee. Kent and Lisa Matlick asked me to come out here and record some drone footage for them. Of course, we can't forget Piper, the Cavalier King Charles. And so here I'm on site, and we're getting ready to launch the drone. Beautiful property, a lot of clearing has been done here. I can tell that a lot of mulching has been done. The lot is really wide open. We're about halfway in, kind of in the middle, and this is where I'm going to launch the drone from. Off the back, I took some pictures that, you know, had a nice view of the hills on the other side, so I'm not sure how those are going to turn out. So Kent, Lisa, Piper, the Cavalier King Charles, Kent and Lisa's family and friends, Piper's friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the relatives as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell on the channel so you can see more videos of the happenings and the going-ons here at the Woodlands at Buffalo River.